Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Verami Batamfo. How you guys doing? Thanks for always watching. Yes, greetings from home Germany. Can I see those who are in? Yes, I see people watching there. Where are you watching from? Let me just know where you're watching from. Thank you. While waiting for the house to get a bit full, let's listen to this song by Mercy Chinwo. I don't own any copyrights to this song. Just enjoy the song with me, right? Authentic God. Thanks for always watching. Just enjoy the song with me, right? Thank you. Francina. Good. Thank you for watching. Come, let's enjoy this piece before we talk a bit about health. Good. Clara, Brighton, thanks for watching. Ginger Ransom. Thank you guys. Let me wave you back. Thank you. Thanks for always watching. This song, this woman, Thank you guys for always watching from Tico. Clarice, thank you. Just enjoy this song. To this song, then we talk briefly. My God, oh my God, wow. So that is it. Thanks for always watching. We'll talk about health. My name is Verami Batamfo. For those just watching, just maybe seeing me for the first time, right? I bought a franchise from this company called Juice Plus, and they gave me a license to market their products in 30 countries around the world. And what do I do? Just telling people to live healthy lifestyle. So I come here every day just to encourage somebody: eat right, drink right, exercise right. Those are the three main things that I am here every day just to recommend to someone listening to the sound of my voice. I don't know what time is it out there. Out here it's getting really late, right? I know in the US it's still in the afternoon. In Dubai it's quite late, right? In Japan it's already the next day, So I'm up at this hour because it is very important, right? Yes, the need for us to stay healthy, it is very, very important. We need to be aware of it. And I say, Viola, come for. How you doing, Flora? Hey, Sister Laurie Brady. She's also watching. Sis, thank you for watching. Let me wave you back. Thank you. Yeah. So, guys, yesterday I talked about the power of berries. The day before I talked about the power of omega, right? Because we said we need to supplement because our bodies need those fatty acids from the omega to stay healthy if you want to stay younger, right? You want your skin, the collagen of your skin, you know, as you're getting older, your skin is getting tired. But with this seed oils, you will remain young. Your cells will remain, you know, you build up your cells, right? You will build up your skin will remain fresh. Omega is good for your heart, it's good for your brain, it's good for your muscles, good for your pancreas, right? It's good for your blood pressure, it's good for your blood sugar. So we encouraged each other yesterday to go for the berries. The power of the berries, we saw what the berries can do. It's good for anti-aging, for constipation. It can even help against cancer and all of that. When you take it, it's good, very rich antioxidants. So all of that, when you take this, and we saw 11 of these berries put in a small capsule like this, so when you take it, it does a lot in your body. So today I will not talk about the products. I want to encourage somebody who is also hungry, because if I'm up at this hour, what's the time now in Germany? It's almost 12 minutes past 11 p.m. right? It's only somebody who is very hungry, like 11 past 10 in Cameroon, right? Yeah, out there it's quite late. We are 1 hour ahead. And I'm up here to encourage somebody to look for a plan B, to try to get a part-time. This shows you how hungry I am. Are you hungry? If you're listening to me that you're hungry, guys, Clarice, unfortunately, this business I am recommending is not yet in Africa. Juice Plus has not yet stretched out to Africa. But let's keep praying that hopefully, because it's an online business, they go gradually, right? Yeah, it has been out there for 50 years, but it has not yet gone to Africa. It has stretched right up to Dubai. So gradually, slowly but surely, it will soon reach Africa. But that notwithstanding, just listen to what I'm talking about, because this thing of health is important, right? Whether you're in Africa, whether you're out here in Europe, you're in the USA, you're in the UK, all of us need to stay healthy. And Corona too came just to add, you know, this awareness. Since the presence of Corona, people no more live carelessly. Everybody is now very conscious, right? People are very conscious. Hey, Sharon Masakambo! Good and wax. How you doing, my junior one? Thanks for watching. Yeah. So today I just want to recommend this business opportunity, guys. This business opportunities, this business is real. Every day I come and talk, many people think that is a joke, right? It is not a joke, it is real. This business is real. This business is changing lives. You see the number of lives that this business is changing. It is mind-blowing. When I attended the convention last year in October in Hamburg, by then I was in the company just about 3 months. That was my first convention. So in my mind, I was thinking that, okay, maybe in the convention we'll meet 500 people or 600 people. My God, when we reached Hamburg, people were more than 5,000 in the hall. Oh my God, I was like, wow. So the whole place is busy in this business. We, the African community, were just one, what do I say? We're just lost in the crowd, right? We were so little, right? The Germans were there. The whole place was filled with Germans. And they have been doing, you see, I tried to ask some people who were sitting by me. They said, no, they've been using this product for the past 23 years. This ones have been using it since my grandparents handed it to us. We have been using it. It's a family business. So that's what I'm talking about. If you want to do a business that you can hand down, we Africans, we are not used to handing down property to our kids. Yeah. Handing down a business. Most of the time, you see these rich business people that we grew when we were growing up and we heard their names. Once they die, the business ends there because the children cannot even continue with it. But this business, you can hand it to the next generation. It is health. No, people will never stop trying to stay healthy. And these products are natural products. Tested and proven to be safe for consumption. That's why you see Juice Plus is all over the place. But that doesn't stop you from joining. You don't say, oh, I will not do this business because my sister is already doing it, my cousin or my neighbor, I know this person is doing it. No, everybody has his or her own divine connection. How many people are in the world? You see, the business is really blooming up. On Facebook here, everybody is there because the whole world, I can say, half of the world is on Facebook. Billions of people are on Facebook. So if your neighbor is doing it or your sister, it doesn't stop you, right? You have your own people who are waiting to hear it from you. Everybody has his or her own divine connection. So don't take that as an excuse and say, no, the whole thing is full. I will come there. Who will listen to me? No, come. Oh, there are some people who say, oh, I don't like Facebook. Oh, is it a matter of Facebook that is scaring you? There are many people doing the business without even coming to Facebook, but they know how to send the message around. People, we are coming to Facebook because that's just where you meet so many people. Yeah, social media now is meeting people, but there are some people who are still, they don't feel comfortable like doing live videos. Or it's not all about live videos. You must not do live videos. But if you use the product and you have a story and you share your story without live videos, people will still listen to you. You change lives around your community, guys. So there's no excuse. Oh, somebody says, because I'm pregnant. Pregnant ladies are doing it. Or because I have all my kids. No excuse. I've seen women who are doing live videos on this Facebook. They hold their babies. They are taking care of their babies and doing the business. That is what's so amazing with the business, because you can do it anytime. At your pace, anyhow. It's you plan it the way you want to do it. Right? You plan the way you want to do it. This is me here at 23 o'clock. I'm up doing my business. I'm doing my business now. I'm my boss, so I decide when to do it. And if I feel like not doing it tomorrow, maybe the whole day I feel like not doing it, I'll not do it. But the thing is just that why you join the business, that why pushes you to do more. The reason why, you must have a reason for joining the business. Because somebody like me, for example, hey, my sister, Onyebuchi, Amanda, how are you? Hey, look at Berry. Oh my God, Nigeria, Willie new girl. My God, Willie, listen, this thing, Let me wave you guys back. Thanks for watching. Thanks for jumping in. How you guys doing? Yes, Berry, I'm waiting for you guys. You guys jump on board. Willie new girl. I'm waiting for you guys up the belly. People come, let's do this. Let's do Donga Man to Juice Plus. Come on. Tamanda. Me and you, we are talking about this thing, right? This business is making a lot of sense. You can stay at home and you will change lives. You will change your life. You will see the way your life. Because I'm talking this thing, or you are just saying, maybe they say a prophet is not known in his own hometown, right? When you're talking, the people who are close to you, they seem not to see it. This business will announce you to the world, my brothers and my sisters. Have you ever been celebrated before? Have you ever been celebrated where you work? Has somebody ever appreciated what you do? This business will do that for you, right? This business rewards good work. Have you ever been on stage, given a certificate on stage in your whole life? In front of thousands of people, this business can do that for you. And boss lady Lovely Bonko, that's my boss lady there. That's my business partner. This business can do that. It will announce you to the world. You will go to places you had never imagined. You will meet people. If I tell you the number of people I communicate with now because of this business, I sit and I say, oh my God, because of this business. People who call me just to find out about my products. These are people I had never dreamt of ever saying even good morning to them. But they are the ones reaching out. I heard about this, your product. I mean, people who matter in this society. That is what a business can do to you. You will meet people. You will discover yourself, right? You will discover yourself, and it will give you self-confidence, because when you know what you are handling, you have used the product, you are talking with confidence, and when you give it to people and it changes their lives, they add more value to you. Self-confidence. Can you imagine a stay-at-home mom? You are a wife, you've been home maybe for 10 years. You have to take care of the kids, take care of your family. Yes, your husband does everything for you. Perfect, good. But there is something lacking. The woman who only receives, there is something, that self-esteem, you don't have it now. You don't have it. You don't have it. You cannot comfortably propose something in the family because financially you cannot back it up. You're only talking and making noise, right? They'll tell you stop noise, don't begin to disturb. But when you are talking and you are putting part of it or a quarter of it, your husband will listen, right? Your husband will listen. But if you are there only receiving, imagine we are out here, the stress here is too much. Your husband is the one who does everything. He takes care of his own family and friends. Takes care of your own family and friends. You want to kill a man? Right? It's too much now. The stress out there is too much for one man. For one man. Network marketing is the new wealth now, guys. Grab it now before you miss it out. That's the new order. When things change, we come to realize it after, right? That's the new order. Things have just changed. Everything is now online. Many of the shops that closed down during this lockdown, they are not going to open up again. Everything has turned online. Online. Everybody has gone online. I've seen people here on Facebook. Hey, Elizabeth, Jellifax, Sister Elizabeth. Thank you. Thank you, sis. Yeah, this is your first time watching, right, sis? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, there are some people, I say some shops, they will never come back again. There are some people who have told me they will never be on Facebook. But they are here now because they have realized that not getting used to social media, you'll be lost. You'll be lost. Yeah, you'll be lost. How to manage, how to handle, organize a meeting or host a meeting on Zoom. This Zoom conference, this Zoom cloud. People have learned it now. Because you cannot meet again like we used to go. All our jangis, everything is on Zoom. You do the financial transactions in your bank. You come on the Zoom meetings and you discuss whatever you want to discuss. Churches have gone on the Zoom call during this pandemic. Thanks to social media. Everything is online. The telephone, this thing like this telephone is not only to come or to stay on Facebook. Hey, boss lady Estantala, you fair? How you doing? Okay, nice having you guys on board. These are my business partners, right? Who listened to the call when I told them that come on board, there was something, and they can testify, right? They're out there in the US. If you're out there in the US, guys, the market, the conversation planning in the USA is like, it's sweet. These ladies can tell you, right? They have just been in the business 3 months, 4 months in the business. And their lives, they have a big business story. Their lives, people are looking at them like just saying, wow. Because when you come in, you put in the work. It's not just like you're coming to take a bag and start collecting money. No, you put in the work. And what is that work? Just telling people to live healthy lives. To live healthy lives. And you, first of all, you are an example. If I tell somebody, okay, use my products, it's not medication. It's just food nutrition, right? So when you eat well, when you use my products, they will clean you, right? They will detoxify your system from inside, clean your tummy, clean you very well from the inside, and it will show you that from your skin, you will be visible. But people should see you too shining, right? Yeah, so at times you don't even need to talk, just your physical presence. Somebody will want to know what is going on. What is going on? The changes, when I started this business, you guys saw me all here, right? My weight has, I don't know how to say it. I feel different in my body. My blood pressure. Hey, big sis. I see Sister Rose. I've been there watching. Sister Rose. Monjo Renyos. How you doing, my brother? How's Bamenda? Oh, Joanne Duko. Oh, Joanne. How I wish this business was in Cameroon, eh? I know what you would have done with it by now. Oh my God. Don't worry. We are just praying that one day she'll reach there, right? Yes. Guys, come on board. In America, when you reach a certain position in this business, the company pays your health insurance. It's not like in Europe where that health insurance is something not very complicated. Everybody has it. But in America, it's complicated and it's very expensive. So when the company does that for you, it is, what else do you want? What else do you want? Traveling. When you get to a certain position, you have free, you travel around the world and the company takes care of all of that. They celebrate you. You tell people about the product, because we don't sell products, right? I'm not selling products. I don't sell products. I am just recommending a product to you, right? I'm just recommending something to you. And when you want to buy, I show you where you can buy. That's my job. I don't sell products. So I don't ship products. I don't stock products. I don't take inventories. I don't package products. I only recommend because somebody recommended it to me. And I'm recommending because many people out there are not into this business or are not using the products because they lack information. Like Big Sis, how are you doing? Right? Thank you. This is my biggest supporter in the business, right? My biggest customer. Sarah Rose, how you doing? Oh yeah. My biggest, she's the product of the product. Everybody who is seeing her, she I don't know, I cannot count the number of people who have bought their product because of her. Just her story, just seeing her. She's not even talking much, just seeing her. That's what the product does to you. Your skin, what the Omega can do to you. Have you ever gone to Mabel Awudu? Hey, Mabel, how you doing? Have you ever gone to the shop to look for this pomegranate seed oils? Have you tried to look at the prices? They are quite expensive. But when you take the Omega, all those oils are combined. You have a blend of 5 Omegas in one. 5 Omegas in one. And when you use it, oh my God, your body, even those who have wrinkles, it's helping, anti-aging. It will help you to bring back your body. Even those who have stretch marks. I will not assure you that the stretch marks will go away, but it will like, the visibility will reduce, right? The visibility will reduce, and for some, even with time, you will not see it again. Because some people have stretch marks, maybe because they used a certain cream and it got a reaction, or maybe because of childbirth, or some just because you have grown fat, the skin like tears up. But when you use this product, after say 1 month or 2 months, these are just 30 fruits and vegetables, natural products that Juice Plus has taken. They remove the juice, sugar, the juice, the butter, the sweet part of it. They squeeze it out and take just the fiber, the chaffs, and the skin. They crush it and put them in capsule form. The skin of the oranges, the skin of the lemon, the skin of the guava, all of that, the nutrients are concentrated on the skin, and we usually peel it and throw. Have you ever eaten the skin of an orange? It doesn't taste good, right? Not to talk of the lemon. Who puts it in the mouth? So they put all of that together just in capsule form, just the required quantity that you need. So these products just help bridge the gap of what you are supposed to take and what you actually take. Experts recommend that we take 10 servings a day. Imagine you every day you portion 10 different fruits and vegetables. Who does that? If you want to look in the whole world, I think people who do it, they're not up to 5, right? You should be an extremely disciplined person, right, to do that. You do it, you will crack. But with this product, it makes it easy. It makes it easy. You take just 2 capsules from each bottle, say 2 fruits, 2 vegetables, 2 berries, 2 Omega. That means you have taken 30 and you secure it in your body. Just drink it and drink water. Right? You put it in your mouth and you put water. Those who don't want to swallow, they go for the chewables. Those who don't still want the chewables, they open up the capsule and pour out the powder in a small smoothie or in a small like cornflakes or yogurt, and you mix and you're good to go. Easy as that. And you start seeing the effects. That's why it's not medication, but people who have taken it, you see somebody say, oh, my hair that was, especially most of us who have come abroad, oh, the water here is dealing with our hair, right? Yeah, hair. My own, I almost, you know, I never used to show my hair for almost 5 years now. I was just covering it with this thing because I had no hair. It used to just break, you know. You wash it like that. By the time you finish, it's just pouring down like powder, right? Like powder, and you end up you just have to be shaving it. But thanks to this products, I can now boast that I have my hair. My children the other day, when I, you know, I had rasta on, so I, you know, when I loosened the rasta, I like retouched my hair. They were so excited to see my hair. Okay, Sister Rose is saying something. Because of this product, my vision is becoming more clearer. You get it? She is the product of the product. Says that testimony, and the world needs to hear it. Her vision is become clearer because the omega in it, right? Yesterday we saw the berry capsule. It helps with eyes, the vision, right? Diabetic patients are taking this thing, and they are, you know, with diabetes, when it starts, it tampers with your vision. It tampers with your vision. So if you take all of the capsules with the omega, it is going to help you. This diabetes will improve. It's not medication, but when you eat well, when you feed well, the body will heal itself. So guys, give it a try. Give it a try. Sister Rose, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Your testimony, you will write a book, right? You will write a book. So guys, if you need this product, she's out there in the US. If you are there in the UK and you want the product, Sister Mabel, give it a try, right? Give it a try. You will not regret it. We have to take care of the body that works the money. Yeah? Somebody will just look at the product and say, oh, they're very expensive. Expensive, your body. What if you fall sick? What if you fall sick? What is echoing? The video is echoing. Maybe it's just in your maybe it's just back there where you are, right? Everything is good here. Sister, maybe is it echoing? Or Sister Rose, are you people having problems with the video? Rangers is complaining that it's echoing. I don't get any echoing sounds here, right? Yeah, somebody will say it's expensive. What if you fall sick? Imagine 30 fruits and vegetables. I try to imagine here, you know, it's not like in Africa where you have fruits, the prices are not very expensive. But out here, just to get a fruit like the pear, the avocado, at times it goes up to 3 euros. 3 euros is almost like 1,800 just for one fruit. One fruit, right? One. So imagine 30 fruits and vegetables. When you look at the prices that are on the website, you try to divide those prices by, say, for 4 months. That you will be taking this product every day for 4 months. You realize that is for nothing. So it's like every meal you spend just like €2.40. €2.40 for 30 fruit and vegetables. Hey, you want Quintado? How you doing? You're not sleeping. How you doing? Yeah. €2.40, or let's say like $2 for 30 fruits and vegetables. Now with this corona, food is not coming in from Holland the way it used to come here. You go to the supermarket, the apple is very expensive. I bought 6 apples the other day. I was wondering, I said, is it just this apple that you used to carry? It's like you carry and they will give you dash. But now 6 apples, the prices were, I said, what is this? Somebody said it's rich people who eat apple now. I was like, what is going on? Right? So imagine you gather 30 of those fruits and you try to put the prices you will not be able to pay for. But this company just wants to help people to live healthy. They give it, it's like a giveaway. Because even when you come to buy, when you're out, you want to come to buy, they give you the option to pay instrumentally. Right? So you organize yourself very well and you buy, you spread it out for 4 months. You spread the payment for 4 months. We give you that customer confidence. Yeah? We give you the customer confidence. But it's just that don't abuse it, right? Yeah, make sure you respect it. You give you the product and you pay gradually for 4 months. You spread it out for 4 months. Or if you don't want it, then you not pay all. Full payment. For 4 good months. Somebody say, why are they doing it for 4 months? No, it's after 4 months that you actually evaluate that these products are doing good in your body. It takes time for the products to get into the system and work very well, and you see the results. People who have inflammation, they have used especially capsules. People who have, with this oxidative stress, at times you have it, you don't even know, right? You don't even know. You sleep in the night, you wander in your dreams, you have nightmares because of the normal stress. This is why man conjugates stress, better stress. I used to hear of this word stress in Cameroon when my sisters were out, used to say stress, just say, people like to exaggerate. I have come to, me too, I'm talking of stress. This place has stress. Then when you take the stress back home and add to it, you can go gaga. You can go gaga. That's why I am up now, because we need more money so that we'll be able to solve our own stress here and solve the stress back home. Maybe you guys are out there, they don't call you on the phone. Do your people call you? Because we have calls every minute. And they don't even need to start telling you problems. You just see from the pictures and you know that wahala day. They need the money. Right? They need the basics. And it's not there. So when you imagine that maybe your cousin or your auntie is in hospital, or they can't even take your cousin to hospital because there's no money, and you are out here in Europe, because you too, there's no money here. Can you imagine? They call you and say they went to the hospital, they said they should transfer him to BBH, he has a cardiac problem, and they said they should deposit 750,000. You don't even have. Because the money we work here will not warrant you to even stretch out that 750. Corona has come now and spoiled everything. Corona has spoiled everything. Everybody's home. Those petty jobs that people used to do, every place is closed. So, what? We stay like that and die? You have to look for a plan B. A job that you can do from home without stressing anybody. If you are working already, you do it as part-time. You come back, like now, I'm talking here, I will not spend up to an hour. So you can put 1 hour to your business. When you come back from work, you are tired, you rest, you eat, you take your phone, you add friends, because when you come, I will coach you. We'll coach you. It's not only me, we have a team of leaders who will train you, because they teach you how to relate with people here on social media. Because social media, if you come and you just start talking to people anyhow, you scare them. So we have to teach you how to relate with people, how to create relationship. It's not all about business, right? I'm talking here, all of you who are talking here, La Fleur, Christelle, yeah. Hey, Uncle Sam is there, Uncle Tafu. How are you? He's always watching. Uncle, thank you, right? Yes, I have a large family here on Facebook, in Italy, in Florida, everywhere, all over the world. Thanks to this business. I've told you that this business has made me to have connections. I cannot be missing in this world, because anywhere I am, I will shout. Somebody who is on my friend list will come out, because I'm all over the place. I have friends all over the place. And you try to keep a relationship, to talk with all these people, to relate with them. This is what this business can do to you. Give you self-confidence. When you sit amongst people and they are talking about jobs, about the economy, you too will talk, because you are also part of that economy. Not to be like when they are talking about that, that's when maybe you take your phone and you go to Facebook because you have nothing to contribute. Or when you are talking, they say, sit quiet. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Right? This is what this job can do to you. It started just like a joke. When I was trying, when I got into it, I never knew how big it was. I knew I was just getting in maybe to get my product, because my health was a challenge at that moment, right? And my weight. The products too can help you to manage your weight, because when you eat, you can never go wrong with fruit and vegetables. When you clean up your system, remove the toxins from your system, you drink a lot of water, you pee it out, you eat well, the fat that has been stored there will go away, and your body will go back to shape. So we have a very wonderful meal replacement pack for those who want to lose weight. But you can still use that shake just for normal upkeep. You want to have a healthy body, because that shake has 17 fruit and vegetables inside. So just like a normal drink, right? Just like a normal drink. Dorothy, Valentine, Ashosh watching. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. IT said, Emma, thank you, my sister. How are you doing? Oh yeah. She was there yesterday and she's there today. I love you, my dear. Thank you. So guys, or you want the booster? People who have problem with large appetite, cravings, because this thing of weight, you see anything you want to eat. Like now, it's late midnight. You see somebody getting into the kitchen to cook something to eat. Are you really hungry? But there are some people, they cannot control it. But the booster will help you. From the glucomannan plant, so the konjac root, right? You use it, you just put it in water, you mix all our plant-based products. The thing with the booster is that you mix it and you drink it immediately, because when you keep it, it will swell and it will thicken up. That's how it behaves in your tummy. It will fill up your tummy. It will fill up your tummy. Like 25% the space, that's how it fills it up. So you have just said 75%, and if you drink a lot of water, you realize that maybe you close up another 25. So half of your tummy is already full. So now food will take just 50. So you realize that you eat just what the body needs. Because when you are like this, check your nutrition. When you are fat, check your nutrition. When you are too thin, check your nutrition. When you are not comfortable with your body, check your nutrition. When your tummy is like this, there are people with this tummy. I have men who have bought this product, their tummies were beyond repairs. But the fruit and vegetables have just removed that pot belly, as I will call it. Sorry to use the term. It's not like I'm insulting the belly, but that space that's just cleaned it up, and the tummy has taken shape because they do a little bit of exercise too, and they drink a lot of water. Because when you drink beer after a certain time, the stomach will be big like that, and it will be very difficult for it to go down. So guys, the products are wonderful. If you want to boost your immune system, you need to have one. The omega is a must-have. If you want to stay young, you add the premium capsules to it. If you cannot afford for all, you can also just get the omega, or you get just the berries, or you get the omega and the berries, or you get just the fruit and the vegetables. So we work according to your budget. Just come and tell me how much you have, and we'll work with your budget. We'll look for the product that goes with what you have. But if you can afford it, it will be good, because when you take the whole pack, that's where the effects are good. I've told you, you can pay in 4 installments. We're not supposed to talk about the prices here, but if you meet me, if we talk privately on Messenger or on WhatsApp, I will give you my website, and you will visit the online shop in your specific countries, out there in the UK, out there in the USA, here in Germany, in Italy, in Belgium, all those countries, in Dubai, in Canada. The online shops are there with their prices. So I just give you the link, and you check on the prices, and you go ahead to buy. 3-4 days, your products, you have your products, and you start using them. And I will be, be checking on you all the time. Yeah, I'll be checking on you all the time. We even have a customer WhatsApp group where most of the people who have bought the products are in that group. So there we work together, we share recipes. We share recipes because there are some people, they are using the shakes for weight loss. Maybe they're having some challenges. You see people writing, I've been the first week, I've used it, I've not lost the number of kilos that I was expected to. So you share with the other person who has actually had results, so you see where you went wrong and you try to adjust, because all is just to eat well. Because if you replace your shakes with, you replace your meals with 2 shakes. You take shake in the morning, maybe your breakfast, and you take shake in the evening as supper. Then you eat just in the afternoon. But during that afternoon period, you level 3 loaves of fufu corn and jama. What do you expect? That weight is not going to go anywhere, right? Or you take about 8 slices of plantain, right? Or you take gari and okra, maybe 4 loaves of gari. That weight is not going to go anywhere. You have to look for something that is healthy. More of vegetables, a little bit of carbohydrates, reduce carbs. we have eaten a lot of rice, a lot of fufuko, a lot of plantain in our childhood. Let's reduce it for now and go for healthy vegetables. Just take 3 months and try to respect some healthy lifestyle. Then when you get the weight that you are looking for, then now you try maybe to step up the carbohydrate. You now know that fruit and vegetables, the more of it you eat, the better for your health. Beer and sweet drinks will only kill you, will only destroy the body. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. Somebody will say, I don't even drink beer, I drink sweet drinks. That's, for me, I've seen sweet drinks even the worst. The sugar in it. The sugar in it. I've come here, I've just discovered how they do, back then, we have top orange, top ananas, all those things, just chemicals they put in water and we are dying with it. Right? Even the natural juice is good, but too much of it too is sugar, because as it's sweet like that, it's sugar. Those fruits, when they start getting sweet, it's sugar. Yeah, I want to drink my pineapple juice. That is sugar. As it's sweet like that, it's sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. And the more you get this sugar in your body, diabetes will start talking, the liver will start complaining, the whole body, high blood pressure will start complaining. I was telling you that when I told you, I'm always telling you what my blood pressure, as I had my child and I had post-eclampsia. Very high blood pressure, very, very high. I cannot remember the number of times I have been taken, I was carried to the hospital in an ambulance. With doctors around you trying to, it's after I noticed that there was danger, because, when you are dying, you don't even know, You feel that you are, you don't know that you are about to leave, right? It's afterwards I noticed that those doctors were around trying to make sure things don't go rough. But I was like just floating. The pressure was very high. So I have been on very serious medication. When I get up in the morning, you see my eyes, these eyes like this, you see them, they'll be red like this, big, because of the pressure. But now, my pressure is normal. I just put on the machine from time to time, Thomas's, just to be sure. And everything is fine. Because I now eat me healthy, I drink healthy, I exercise from time to time. Right? It's not like saying I want to go to the gym, because when you start putting the gym inside, you do it one day, the next day you don't do it. I just do my exercise at home. Even in the kitchen when I'm cooking, you run to the door, run back, walk to the door, run back. You sit up, stand up, just make something regular for 10 minutes. You go to the bathroom before you want to take your bath, you raise your legs, You just have a rhythm. Or you say, okay, you jog on one spot and you count maybe 100 times. Or you imagine you jumping a rope, you jump 10, 20, 30 every day. Your body will be okay. Your body will be okay. You make sure you drink 2 liters, at least 2 liters of water every day. At most 3, 4. It's good. Because the more you drink, the more you will pee out the toxins. And your body will be happy with you. There's some people, I don't remember the last time they did a detox. I think I shared the detox plan on my page. Just scroll through my page. That one, at least I've given you people that one. The detox plan, you just get the things from the organic shop. You get your cucumber, you get your lemon, you get your ginger, you get your mint leaves. Look for a jar and you put water inside in the evening. You slice the lemon with the peelings. You cut it. You cut the lemon, put it in water. You slice one cucumber too. You slice it small. You put it inside. You slice the ginger. You grate the ginger, or you just slice it to put it inside. You put 1/3 of a glass of the mint leaves. Put it inside. Put water. Allow it to sleep the whole night. In the morning, you drain those things that you slice and keep the water in the bottle. That's the water you drink the whole day. When that bottle is finished, maybe you add another empty bottle of water, now pure water. You will be peeing out the toxins. You do that for 1 week. You will feel different. You will feel good. You will feel good. And there's this other one, even you crush the green apple. The apple, that one that is green and is sour. You get the apple, 1 apple, you get 1 cucumber, you still get the mint leaves. Mint is very good, right? Mint is good. You get the mint leaves and you get the ginger. You blend it, right? You blend it, let it come in a glass. That one, you take it last thing before you go to bed. After eating all. By 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you know that, okay, now nothing gets into my tummy again. You blend that, the mixture. I said what? Apple, cucumber, ginger, mint leaves. If you're not ginger tolerant, you leave ginger out. You do it just with the mint leaves. But if you can, your body can support ginger, why not you put it inside? You blend, you drink it, and you go to bed. In the morning, you will see the way your bowels will push out all the rubbish. And that's how your body will go lighter. So that one is for the night. Then the one in the day, you go for the water that you... So you do the two simultaneously, my sisters. 1 week, you come to tell me, hey, Sister Nelly, Wakili, ITZ Emma, all of you who are here, I want to take note because I want you to come and testify what this detox has done to you, right? Yes. Sister Angelina Falarino, thanks for watching, sis. How you doing? Yeah, thank you, my friend. Thank you. So, give it a try. It will clean your body. That one is simple to do. And if you do it like that and back it up with this product, oh my God, you will clean up your lungs, you will clean up your pancreas, you will clean up your liver. Your skin will tone up. Your blood pressure will regulate. Guys, give it a try. So think about it. Give it second thought. If you want the products, let me know. I send you the link. Wherever you are in the world, we're in 30 different countries. This is a business that will make you have partners in 30 different countries. This is absolutely amazing. I have teamies in many countries around the world. You get to know about the Australian market because every country has their own compensation plan. So you get to know how the American market functions. You get to know how the Australian market functions. You get to know how the European market functions. You get to know how the UK, all of that. It is so beautiful. Dubai, UAE, how they function, right? So you come to this business and you learn. It's not like just coming out. Yeah, you come, you learn, you discover yourself. You learn how to use the computer. You learn how to use the telephone. This aspect on this part on the phone they call Play Store has a lot of apps. I never knew those apps. I used to just scroll and pass, but I've discovered, oh my God, there are apps there that when you download them, it makes you say, wow. Thanks to this business. This is me doing live. I used to look at people who are doing live and are crazy, right? And so was the one talking on Facebook every day, right? But look at me now. I do live almost every day, right? I'm enjoying it because I've discovered that there was something in me that I never knew. I never knew I could market a product. Marketing was never my thing, right? Marketing was never my thing. And it's thanks to this business. So I don't know your own. Don't say I don't know how to talk. Come. Before you know it, you'll be talking. Because what is the talking? Just using the products and sharing your story. Once you use the products and you get results, the story will come automatically. You don't need to talk much. Just your story will sell. Just your story will make people to run after you. And you will show them where they can buy the products. So by doing this, the company will pay you. The company pays you for bringing customers. The company gives you bonuses because when you sell, those products are like that. They have point value, right? Yeah, the volume of the points. Every product has a point. So when you sell up to a particular volume, they promote you and they always give you bonuses for that. And also, when you reach a certain position, they encourage you because you train all the other business partners who are coming in. You coach them on how to go about it. Because since you are succeeding and you are able to build up your team, you coach other people. You show them how to go about the social media. You show them how to go about with people, how to talk to people, right? How to follow up customers, how to tell them about the products and all of that. The company knows that you are doing that work. They give you some incentives too. So it is so amazing. I cannot tell you what this company has done to my own life sitting here. Right? If there was nothing sweet in it, I would not be here every day, right? I would not be here every day. I would have been sleeping. But I'm here talking. The talking has even increased now because the bigger the money, the more you want to talk more. To tell people to come, say, una come, una truthing. We are real people. All of you watching me, 3/4 of you, you know me. So why should I be lying? So we say it's a pyramid scheme. Which pyramid scheme now? Which business? Have you ever heard of a business where a tailor will one day become a director? A hairdresser becoming a presidential marketing director? A director in a major company in Europe, in America? A cleaner suddenly becomes a director. It's only in this company that you can see that. Because it's not a pyramid scheme. If you put in the work, you will get the promotion. You will get the position. They don't look whether you're a medical doctor. They want you to put in the work by inspiring healthy lives. So the medical doctor, as well as this cleaner or this hairdresser, we start at the same position. And if the cleaner or the hairdresser is faster, he will go ahead of the medical doctor. And the medical doctor will continue the same treatment, equal for everybody. It's not like a company where you wait for the director to resign or to retire before. Even when he's retiring, there's already somebody they have prepared that will take over. Then you, who is like the secretary, you remain down there till you retire. You will never go up there. Many of you are working in companies. Even if when you perform well, do they even congratulate you? Do they even appreciate you? But in this company, people are appreciated. Hard work is appreciated. Even with this pandemic, they are still doing online award parties for us. For the past 2 months, I've been on stage with this award. When I had my QSS, that's what, Qualifying Senior Sales Coordinator, a title. And last month, I still had my Senior Sales Coordinator. All these promotions, thanks to you guys listening, because everything, my market is on Facebook. You buy the product, you join the business. Nelo, Nelo Webs. Listen, you're not sleeping. Nelo Webs, your products are still waiting for you here. Your products are still waiting for you here. So thanks to all of you who are watching. Sister Rose, I said that is my highest of my customers, right? I cannot count the number of people that she has brought. I'm still waiting for her to come and join the business. I know she's very busy, but she will join. She will join. People are very busy, but they're still doing it as part-time. They're still doing that. Just 1 hour of your time. We'll do it together. It's not you alone. Teamwork. Do it together. Hold your hand. As I'm going, if you saw, my whole team celebrated victory this month that passed. All of us. Right? All of us. I don't know that Lovely Mbunkoro is still there. That is my strongest downline. Dala, Euphrasia, all of them there. We are in the same team. We pull each other. And we are going to the top, We are going to the top. So don't say tomorrow that we did not tell you. Because we are here every day trying to show you how to go about it. But many of you are just watching us. Just watching us. Then what are they doing? There's money in the thing. Lives are changing. You change lives. You see the way you help people. It is satisfying. And you see the way your own life is changing. The money I have touched just for these few months. I worked in Cameroon for how many years? I don't think I touched that type of money. Just from telling people to live healthy lives. So guys, come on board. We are not supposed to talk about salaries here. If not, I would have told you to be specific about the amount. But if you want us to have a one-on-one chat, we can talk after the live show. If you want to really get into, let me break it down for you. So that's it. I don't know whether you have any questions. You can ask me. Yes, Nelo. Nelo, you can also do this thing. Oh, come in. Oh, let's do this thing. Oh, come in. How? Come in, because very soon it will be too full. Oh. The whole place is rushing, especially in the US. Many people are coming in from the US. Many people. But my Cameroonian brothers and sisters, we are still like just watching. Many Nigerians, many Ghanaians, they are flooding the place. Because food and fruit and vegetables is what is keeping the body up now. Corona till now, no medication. Everybody is just trying to, because it's from all indications, Corona has come to stay. Corona is not going anywhere now. Corona will just be like a normal catarrh and cough. But now your body has to fight Corona. So if you leave your own body open, Corona will come in and mess you up. So you have to look for something to fortify your body. This our product is not medication, but it's full nutrition. So eat well so that your body is healthy. Your antibodies are good to fight whatever. Right? So if you need the products, you can get it. Your children will get the chewables. The children are not left out. We have the chewables, we have the snack bars too for the children as much as the adults who can take it. Spotters. There's a video I saw. There's one coach of one team here out in Germany. Yeah, the medical doctor was recommending these products for the team. So it shows that this, about 30 research programs and scientific researches have been carried out for this product, on this product, and proven that they are fit. That's why we can say it can help you with your heart. This is because of the findings from these researches. It helps with the skin. It helps with the teeth. It helps with blood sugar. It helps to improve the hair. It helps to improve the nails. It helps to fight depression. So when you take those fruits, all those conditions with the lungs, if you take the premium capsules, those fruits and vegetables and omega, stroke will not come near you. It will help with your heart. You will not have a stroke if you eat right, if you drink right, if you exercise right. So guys, that's it. I think I will call it a day today. Thank you all. Let me see those who are in today. At least I've greeted everybody. I've not forgotten anybody. If I've forgotten your name, I don't feel bad, right? Don't feel bad. I see, hey, Pa, you're not sleeping. Papa Emmanuel for always watching from Kambe. Bao Bumika. Thanks for watching. Yeah. So guys, I'm waiting for you. Order your products. Join the business, right? I want that by next month our team should be a big one, because we need to pull each other, right? We need to pull each other. There are some people who are waiting only for your own voice. Yeah, because my friends are not your friends. So you need to come in so that you share this opportunity to other friends and help them, people around you, your friends. We want to change lives in the community where we live in. So until you take action, you can have a very wonderful idea. I've said it so many times. Many people are greeting me, oh, you're doing a very good job. It doesn't end there. Come and join me. Let's do it together, right? The job is not supposed to be done by me alone. All of us have to come on board so that we stretch out our tentacles and we touch lives around the whole world. Let us do the good job together and change our lives. If we want to have that dream house, if you want to own houses here in Europe or in the USA, you need extra income. If you want to buy a car that nobody has ever used, you yourself, you tear papers, right? You have to put in the work for that new paper. Yeah. Or you want to go for holidays. December or August, it's just because of this corona, The people out here, they organize themselves. They're always on holidays. But us, we don't go anywhere now. We just circulate around because you calculate the money, you are calculating. But they are used to. They organize themselves. They do their part-time jobs. They have their money. But we are there. We are only on one job, hand to mouth, hand to mouth. We come here, pay only bills, hand to mouth, stress ourselves. Now the new opportunities have come. People are fitting in. We are still waiting. There's somebody said an idea will remain an idea if action is not taken. You can have very beautiful, wonderful ideas, but if you don't take action, those ideas will not materialize now. You have to take action. So the choice is yours. I've given you the information. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Take action. Take a step by saying yes. Say, okay, let me come and tell me this thing. What are you talking about? What is it supposed? I say you don't need anything. You don't need any qualification. You don't need any investment. Just a small affiliation token. Out in Europe, 100 euros. In the USA, $52. The UK, £50. That is all people invest and make millions after, say, a year or two. Because if you come in and really put in 1 year of work, I've just been there for 1 year, 1 month today. And my life has turned from black to white. Right? A big change. Very big. And I just imagine how, God willing, in 2 years' time, the story will be a very big one. Very, 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 it will be mind-blowing. Because what I see. Right? So come in, guys. So that we go to, all of us, we are heading to the top. What I like in this business is that you come and you are heading to the top. To the top, to go and grab all those millions on the compensation plan. If you put in the work, you will get all those, you hear amount of money, you're going to say, is this true? I have come, I'm telling you that it's true. It is true. It is true when you put in the work. Because you need to put in the work. You need to work. You need to build your team. You need to talk to people. You need to recommend the product to people. You need to be the product of the product. And when you do that, Juice Plus will compensate you. I've never heard them delay with on the 10th of every month, everybody has his or her salary. Even now, on the virtual office, since yesterday, what you're expecting on the 10th is already there. Well stated out. Analyze everything. This is the one you had for commissions. And this is the one you have as a bonus. If you had a promotion this month, these are the bonuses. Okay, this is just commissions for products that you sold. Right? These are commissions from everything is stated out. Total that you're expecting at the end of the month, on the 10th of the month. So it's not like working and they'll tell you come tomorrow. They have been there for 50 years. So when you want to affiliate for any online business, look for an online business that has been there for long. Don't go for any mushroom thing that tomorrow will disappear and your money will go away. No, these people have been out there for 50 years and they are real. You can see them, you can touch them. We are real people. Cameroonians, Africans, all who are doing this thing are people you know. Your loved ones, at least you should know one person who is into this business. It's not a mafia. It's not a scam. Because at least the products are there, you see them. You can touch the products, you can feel the products. It's not an imaginary business that you just take money online and they say you pay what you don't even know what you're buying. You just see you going to one level to the other, they call those levels, they give names, queen, kings, a prince, what. Before you reach at a certain level, your money just disappears. And they say the person who was holding the password is dead. Then you carry your hands on the head. Where is the headquarters of the company? You don't even know where the people are. They say it's in Indonesia. Very soon they say it's in China. Very soon they say in India. Story end. So go for something that is authentic. That will change your life and change the lives of people around you. So we have talked. So let's leave it here for today. And see you tomorrow, God willing. So thank you, Sister Angelina Falarino. See, where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Right, that's it. See you tomorrow now. Bye. See you tomorrow. Nelly Wakili, thanks for watching. Dorothy Valentine, thanks for watching. Where are you guys watching from? Your faces are new here, but you're my friends, right? Yeah, I think this will be the first time you're watching. Thank you for taking your time off to watch. Sister Rose, here you go, gist. I'll call you. All right. God bless you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.